Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, June the 2nd, 2021. We have three puzzles left. A puzzle with Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary puzzle. First, we will solve this baby, and yeah, this one will be number 2885. All right, 2885. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. As you see here in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. All right. In this big square, we have also 4 missing. We have here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. All right. And then. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the third row? So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see the 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. We have a pair, 1 and a 7 in this column, 1 and a 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 and the 7 should be in those 2 boxes with the 1 and a 7. All right. Then. How about 6, 5? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 6 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. We see here 5 and a 6 in the second row. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. All right. Then 2, 9, 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then the 9 in the first column. The first row. The 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Then. Yeah. 9. Okay. How about Yeah. 6. Okay. Okay. 7. 192. 2. Move a 2 here. 2. 3. Let me scan this. 3. 7, 1. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 6 will be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2, 4, 2, 4. 2, 8, 2, 8. Okay. All right. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this, the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. All right. All right. Let me think. 8, 8, 8. Yeah. 2, 2. No. 1. Yeah, we have a pair. 1 and a 4 in this column. 1 and a 4 in that column. So the column between the 1 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. All right. That means 1 box left in this column. For the number 2. 2 is missing. Yes, 2 is missing. 2. Okay, 2. 2. Okay, 2. Ooh, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have there 9. 9. All right. 7, 7. 1, 2. Okay. 8, 2. Well. Let me think. Yeah. 7. Okay. About the 9. 9. No. 3. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. 3. 4. Yeah. 6. No. 8, 9. 1 and a 4. 4. 4 should be here. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here in one of those 3 boxes in the third column. So we have a 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 7 goes there. All right. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. One box left in the third row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for the number 2. Yeah, 2 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5. Okay, so in the first column, we have here a pair 7 and a 1. So the other pair in the first column are the numbers 5 and the 2. 5 and the 2 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5. Okay. So we have a 5 here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. So the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. So now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box will be a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. So 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 8. 1 number left in the last row for the number 9. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. Still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. Let me think. 3 and a 5. Now we have a 3 here. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Okay. 5, 8, 6. Then. 2, 4, 5 should be also there. Ooh. How about those 3 missing numbers in this big square? Here we have 1 and a 4. These should be the 2, the 8, and the 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 here in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be in those two boxes. Yes. Okay, and now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. There 5, so no 5 there. So the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second column, the 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6, and look, we have a 6 there, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright, now we have 8 there, so this box is going to be 8 anymore, that box will be an 8, this box will be a 9, alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. No. Here we have a 1. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be a 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. Okay, 1 and a 4 are left in this row. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Okay. And 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Yeah. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. And this box will be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. For 4 stars Sudoku, well, I need 30 minutes or more. For 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes. And for a 2 stars, I think it's a 2 star Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes I need. Yeah. So I don't think this is a 4 stars. I think this is a 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Just subscribe and you find a playlist for Sudokus with 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 stars, letter Sudokus, tectonics, binaries, killer Sudokus, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, quintuplets, all kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. So subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, a tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle. See you then. Bye bye for now.